Children, Sairam, how are y'all? All are fine. Yes, I'm Sina Miss. Welcome to Standard 2. All enjoyed the holidays. What y'all did in the holidays, children? Played, watched TV, cartoon. Yes? Okay. Now today we'll start studying. I hope all like Max. Yes? Okay. Children, today we are going to do some shapes in the max. Children, already you all have learned some shapes in the max in first standard. Look at these shapes, children. Can do you all remember these shapes? Yes. Just tell me what are the shapes? Hmm? Good. Hmm? Hmm? Very good. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle. Yes. Look at these shapes, how they're looking at you all. Yes. So, circle. Children, can you tell me some objects or things which is circle in shape that you see every day in your house? Teacher will give you a clue. Morning, mama make it for the breakfast, which is white in color. Everybody likes it. Idli, very good. And she makes something for lunch and dinner. A round in shape, a circle in shape. What it is? Roti. Very good. Mama wears on her hand. What she wears on her hand? Which is round in shape? Bangles. Very good. So bangles, idli, rotis, these all are circle in shape. Now name some objects or thing which is square in shape. Children, you all play Ludo? Yes. Do you all play Carom? Okay. Ludo and Carom board. What is the shape of the Ludo and Carom board? Yes, square in shape. Children, name some objects or thing which is rectangle in shape. Which you see every day. You all sit on the sofa and watch cartoon in that. What it is? Television. Very good. And when the bell ring, you'll run to open it. What it is? Door. So door, television, these all are rectangle in shape. Name something which is triangle in shape. Children, do you all like sandwich? Me too. I love sandwich. Sandwich is what shape? Triangle in shape. Anything else? Children, do you all like cake? Yes. Full round cake you all eat at a time? No. We cut the cake. Yes, na? Yes. And we remove a piece of cake. What is the shape of the piece of cake? Triangle. Very good. Okay. Now, you all have seen, we have seen, you all have learned the shapes circle, square, rectangle, and triangle. Very good. Now, shall we see the shapes? Are you all ready? Yes, here. This is, yes, circle. Repeat after me. Circle. Circle. Okay. Now, we'll spell it. First, listen to teacher, then repeat after the teacher. Circle. Circle. Repeat. Circle. Circle. Triangle. 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 Rectangle. 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 Square. square. SQUARE, square. Repeat. SQUARE, square. Children, now we'll revise this. You repeat after me. Circle. Children, look at this circle. How it is? It is full round in shape. A triangle has 3 lines. Triangle has 3 lines. A rectangle has 4 lines. 2 small lines and 2 big lines. A square has, very good, 4 lines. All are same in shape. Good. Children, now you all know 4 shapes. That is, repeat, yes, 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 yes. Very good. Now, today in Max, we are going to learn 6 more shapes. Let's find the shapes. Okay. Before we start with that, we will sing a song of different shapes. Are you all ready? Ready. Just listen. Don't repeat. A picnic on Sunday in farm fresh air. All shaped veggies we could find there. When he dug the soil, Mutya has found cone-like carrots under the ground. Repeat, children. A picnic on Sunday in farm fresh air. All shaped veggies we could find there. When he dug the soil, Mutya has found cone-like carrots under the ground. Very good. Yash brought tomatoes red and round. Some long brinjals also he found. Rama got the cucumbers green and fresh. Some straight cylinders, some bent at the waist. Repeat, children. Yash brought tomatoes red and round. Some long brinjals also he found. Rama got the cucumbers green and fresh. Some straight cylinders, some bent at the waist. Good. Now listen. Tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic was all that Gappu and Pussy could pick. Mama roasted rotis, Papa cooked veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come again, please? Yes. Children enjoyed the song? Okay. Children, we all go for a picnic. Yes or no? You all like picnic? Yes. Just tell me where these kids went for the picnic, children? Farm. Very good. What did they find in the farm? All vegetables. Okay. Kids, can you tell me how is the carrot? Cone-like. And where was the carrot? Under the ground. Good. Okay. How is the tomato? Red and round. And brinjals? Long. How are the cucumbers? Straight. Green and fresh. Okay. Children, you all enjoyed the song? Okay. Now, we are going to learn some more shapes. Are you all ready? Okay. Now look here, children. What is this? It's a spear. What it is? Spear. Repeat after teacher. Spear. Spear. Spell it. SPHERE. Spear. SPHERE. Spear. Cone. 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 Good. CONE. Cone. Cylinder. 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 Cube. 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 Cuboid. 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 Oval. 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 Shall we repeat again, kids? Are you all ready? Yes. Spear. Spear. Cone. Cone. Cylinder. Cylinder. Cube. Cube. Cuboid. Cuboid. Oval. Oval. Okay, very good. Kids, now can you tell me some shape, some objects, some things which is spear in shape? You play every day with it. You take it in the garden also to play it. Ball, very good. Ball. Ball is spear in shape. Very good. This, can you remember the shape? Have you all seen this shape? Anything which is cone in shape? You wear it for the birthday party. Yes, birthday cap. Very good. Anything else which you like to eat which is very cold? Ice cream cone. Very good. Cylinder. Can you name some object which is cylinder in shape? Remember, every day you drink water in it. Bottle. Very good. You drink milk in it. And tea also. Teacup. That is cylinder in shape. Good. Name something which is cube in shape. Children, you all play snakes and ladder. Yeah, in snakes and ladder, there is one square shaped thing which is dot 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 dot. What is that? It's called as a dice. So the dice is cube in shape. Cuboid. Cuboid. Children, you all have seen a gift box. Keep gift in this. A gift box is also cube in shape and also in cuboid in shape. And children, fish tank. Have you all seen fish tank? A fish tank is cuboid in shape. Name a thing which is oval in shape. Don't remember? ठीक है, I will give you a clue. Okay, I will give you a clue. Sunday हो या Monday, रोज खाओ अंडे. Egg. Very good. Egg is oval in shape. Excellent, children. So, you all have learned 6 more shapes today. Okay, very good. Now, we are going to play a game. I'll show you some shapes and I will show you some pictures and you all are going to tell me the shape of that picture. What is the shape of that thing or that object? Very good. Are you all ready? Yes. Clock. Fast. Yes, square. Good. Piece of watermelon. Triangle. A big watermelon. Spear. Good. A television. Rectangle. Dice. Just now we finished. Cube. A birthday cap. Cone. This clock. Round. Circle in shape. A tea mug. A coffee mug. Cylinder in shape. This is a mirror, children. A mirror is what shape? Just now we said Sunday or Monday. Yes, oval in shape. This full butter packet is rectang is rectangle in shape, children? No, cuboid in shape. This very good, square. A piece of pizza, triangle. Again this has come. Tell me. Yes, cuboid. Oval, very good. Sphere. This Coca-Cola can is cylinder in shape. Excellent, very good. That's very good, children. Now we'll see another activity which you all will like. See here, children. Can you all see this two picture of a mouse? Yes. Here now we are going to count. We are going to count the shapes. Okay. Now tell me how many numbers of circle. How many circles are there here? See, look at the mouse ears. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ears. Then 2 face. How many? 5, 6. Yes. And 2 stomach. 7, 8. So 8 circle. Only 8 circle. No. Look at the mouse eyes also. So 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 circles. Now let us count the ovals. Can we see where is the oval? See the mouth of the mouse. So two mouth. So two ovals. Rectangles. Hands of the mouse, see. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And the legs 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rectangles. Yes, children. Did you all enjoy the lesson? Did you all enjoy the shapes? I hope yes. Okay, children. Let us see next time. Revise this. Okay, bye. See you. Take care.